We would like to introduce you to the Elim sales kit that you can use in the field. The reason why we need a sales kit is when you're selling a product, it's quite easy. You take the product, you take the unique selling points, and you look at the client's needs, and then you just sell them the unique selling points for their needs. But when we are approaching a salon or a spa or a business, then we're trying to sell them a brand and not just one product. And in that case, we'll need to show them and prove to them the difference this brand will make in their business. So firstly, from a sales point of view, we are being judged. Our first impressions are being established under the rule of 12s. So the top 12 inches, which means this, with the exception to shoes. So wear something comfortable that can make you walk professionally and confident to the reception area. Then the first 12 words that you say, so practice your introduction line, and then the first 12 steps that you'll take. So with the shoes that's comfy and confident, we also would like you to look professional and not with a laptop bag and a handbag and brochures and samples and stuff lying all over the place. You'll be able to pack everything that you need in here, and we will provide you with a bag that's got all of this in here. The reason for it is, if I'm a salon owner, the front of my salon is quite important and it's been designed in a way, and I want to see what this product will look like on the shelf. Many companies are only providing them with the product, but at Elim, we've already provided you with additional information needed. So for instance, a little shelf talker where you can slip in your monthly specials with your Elim products or treatments that you're doing. We will also be able to give you little A5 size brochures that you could use just as a shelf talker at reception, in the treatment room. Think of that client that's sitting there for a manicure that doesn't always have something to look at, then you can provide her with information to keep her eyes busy and educate her at the same time. There's a little sticker to brand your spas, and then just display items that they can use, as well as the kit that the therapist will use in the room. We also know that sometimes you go to a spa and you would like to introduce yourself, but you don't want to have you don't know who the owner is, or you don't know who the person is that you've got to speak to, but you would like to leave something there just to leave your details and make sure that there's a lasting impression. So that's why we've made you these little ones. If you don't know the client and you just want to do a drop, then you can leave them a little sample. It's got a nice quote in front, and then at the back is a short write-up of what Elim is, and you can attach your business card to this. If it's somebody that you know, let's say it's a big spa and they've got it's really one of those 5-star ones that you want to get into, then you can write a handwritten note, which will make a lot deeper impression than a pre-printed one. So these handwritten notes, you can then also leave the information for them to be called back in a week's time to confirm an appointment. We have little sales folders. This will just really make your pitch more professional. In the sales folder, you can keep your opening deals, your training dates. We also can show the client that we have some consultation cards for the client to use. This way we can make sure that we're doing a medical or a more advanced pedicure than just the average pamper one. We also provide the therapist with certificates, as you know, but take it to your sales meeting so that they can see the therapist will be certified, and they can also use these certifications to put them up in the salon to get a bit more authority from the client to prove that the therapist is qualified. So all of this together is what the Elim brand stands for. So it's not just one product or a foot tonic and a neutralizer. It is the entire package that we'll be providing the salon and the spa with. And we will in the future do updated versions again, but for now, this is everything you need to tell somebody how awesome the brand is. Good luck.